grab the tab on the back of the ignition coil harness. You're going to pinch it, pull it right off like so. Next, we're going to use an 8mm socket and remove this right here. Remove that stud. Grab the ignition coil, pull it up and out. Using a 5/8 deep socket or a spark plug socket and an extension, go on down. Remove your spark plug. Using your spark plug socket, normally has a rubber boot inside. Go ahead and put that spark plug in there, just so it holds it in place. And let's go ahead and drop that down and get that threaded in. I want to torque these spark plugs down to 9 foot-pounds. Now we put a light coating of dielectric grease on the rubber boot, and we put a little dab inside. Let's go ahead and install the ignition coil down on top of the spark plug. Let's get our stud started there. We can go ahead and just snug that down. Reconnect the harness. Repeat this for the other 3.